What's up guys, you guys are welcome to 𝗠𝗲 TV YouTube channel. So previously we did a video, an intro about Amazon KDP. So today, like I promised earlier, I told you that in my next video you'll be seeing how you can sign up to Amazon KDP, sign in, and as well how you can start your publishing. So today in this video I'm going to guide you step by step on how you can register an Amazon KDP account. If you have Amazon account already, you don't need to register again, but if you still want to register, you are still free to do that. Okay, so in this video I'm going to cover the registration aspect of Amazon and how you can be able to set up your accounts. Okay, so now first of all, if you don't know what an Amazon KDP is, I will suggest you should just go to my playlist over here. Once you click on my playlist, go to my Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, which is Amazon KDP. Just click on it and watch the previous videos that we have done about that. Okay, so here in Amazon.com, anything you publish on Amazon KDP, you will see it on Amazon.com over here to sell or for people to buy. Okay, so now in Amazon KDP, just like let me just rephrase some certain things, or just let me just say be fast about this. In Amazon KDP, now this is where we publish our books. This is where we publish our PDFs for people to buy from Amazon.com. Okay, so now let's go straight to how to create an account here. Now if you already have an account, just click on sign in and sign into Amazon KDP. But if you don't have an account, then you have to click on sign up. Okay, remember, if you have an Amazon account, just click on sign in and sign in with your Amazon account. But if you don't have, you create a new one. So let's create a new one. We have to click on sign up. So once you have clicked on sign up, this platform will display this way to tell you to sign in. If you have an account already, you can see it from here, but if you don't have, just click on this create your KDP account. So once you click on create your KDP account, you put in your first and last name, you put in your email address, put in your password, re-enter your password, and create your KDP. You click on this create your KDP account. Once you have done that, an email confirmation will be sent to you for you to do what? For you to verify your email and start publishing. Okay, so I have an account already, so I'm not going to go into creating these accounts. All right, so what I have to do is just to click on this sign in here, and I will sign in my account. I'll sign in my account using my email and my password. So give me just a few minutes, let me just do this right quick. So guys, I've signed into my account because this is my first time of signing in into this account. This is the agreement that I have to read. Okay, I urge you guys to go through this agreement, these terms and conditions, go through it one after the other if possible. Though I know that most of us don't like going through this, but I will recommend you should do that. So after you have gone through this, you click on this agree. If you agree with them, if you don't, then you click on cancel. So now what you have to do, maybe you don't want to read it over the system, you can as well click here to print the terms and condition, read it over, then you agree to it. So once you have done and you agree to it, you click on agree. So once you have clicked on agree, allow the website to load. As you can see here, they said your account information is incomplete. Okay, so to publish a book, you will need to complete this. All right, so now what we have to do is to set up our account. As you can see from here, our account, we have not published anything. This is free account, and this is a kind of new account without anything being done yet. Okay, so what we have to do is to click on update now. So I have to click on update now, then it will take me to where I have to update my account. Now for security reason, you need to approve a notification sent to this email. So what I have to do right now is to open this email. They sent me a notification on my email. I have to open it and verify this email. Okay, so once I've verified the notification sent to me on the email, then automatically this website will load and I will be able to sign in. So let me do that real quick. So guys, I've done that already. As you can see, automatically the thing redirected to this page. So on the email, or in the email, what you're going to see there is a notification for you to approve or you deny. So if you are the one trying to log into your account, then you have to click the approve Once you have clicked the approve, automatically it will be redirected. Okay, so over here right now, two-factor authentication, I don't want to set up this right now, so what I have to do is just to cancel. So I have to reload my page. I think this is network. So okay, I have to just cancel. I don't want to set up this two-factor authentication. So okay, manage data. All right, I think this 2FA is a mandatory stuff to set. So let me set it up. Let me just pause the video, set it up, and I'll let you guys know. So guys, I've done that, which the OTP has been sent to me, and I've inserted the OTP. So this is the next thing to do. Which country or region do you live? So I have to tell them where I live. Okay, now this is not a business type, but it is an individual, not a corporation, but an individual. So I have to fill in all this as individual. Then over here, date of birth, I have to put in my date of birth here. I have to select the country where I live. Okay, so the country, I'm going to type Nigeria. So that's the country. So once I type Nigeria, I'll put my legal name, put my address, put my city, put my state or religion, just my religion, put my postal code, phone number. So after that, getting paid, this is where you insert how you want to get paid. Okay, you have to provide your bank information to receive the money. All right, so if you say you don't have a bank, fine, but where is your bank? This is how where you have to type either your bank is in Nigeria. If you say your bank is in Nigeria, say we currently do not support payment to this country or region. Please select I don't have a bank to complete the setup of your payment method. Okay, so if you click here, that's for Nigerian people, but I still have my way of getting money. I can select United States and I will fill in my bank details. Okay, so I'll fill in my bank details. I will make video on how you can get a US bank account here in Nigeria. I'll be making video on that, how you can get a US bank account here in Nigeria. All right, so just wait for me for that video. I will show you guys how you can get a bank account here in Nigeria if you don't have a US bank account. Okay, so if you're watching this video, maybe in the future, you can still check my videos and you check if I've made a video or not. Okay, but if you're just watching this video based on the time I publish this video, then I will make a video on how you can get a real bank account here in Nigeria. Okay, so for those of you that don't have bank account in US, don't have bank account in US and you still want to use the Nigerian bank account, then that's when you can click on I don't have a bank account. So if you say you don't have a bank account, then you are set up to receive payment for sales across all Amazon, blah blah blah, and other things. Okay, so over here now you're going to add a bank from here, or you use any other method from here. Okay, so that's, by the way, for people that don't have bank account, but we have a bank account, so we know how we can set up this. Okay, so I'm going to use United States and I'm going to put my account holder name here, and I'm going to select this as my bank depending on the account type that was issued to you during opening of your bank account. Okay, so you're going to put your account number here, retype the account number, put your routing number here. Once you're done with it, then you click on add for you to add. After that, you put your tax information. Okay, so once you're done with that, then you are good to go. Okay, once you're done with that, you are good to go to start publishing. So guys, this is how you can sign up or sign in into your Amazon KDP and set up your account. All right, so like I just showed you guys now how you can do this. So I hope this video is helpful. If it is helpful, please don't forget to hit the like button, and if you have any question to ask, don't forget to use the comment section. Okay, and also if you think this video deserves to be shared to others, please click the share button and share it among your friends. Okay, so I wish to see you guys in the next video. In the next video, we are going to talk about how you can get content to publish, and also how you can be able to write in case you don't know how to write a book to publish on Kindle. Okay, so after we are done with that aspect, the next thing we are going to do is a step-by-step guide on how we can publish our book on Kindle. All right, so once we are done with that, I'm going to show you guys step by step on how you can format your Kindle book to be standard, just the way Amazon wants it to be. All right, so I hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you're not yet a subscriber, please hit the subscribe button so that you'll be notified first whenever I drop a video, especially the videos we'll be dropping in the future. Okay, so I hope to see you guys in my next video. Peace out.